taking off. We are going to Bath. Starting the next leg of the journey, actually moving this time. Bath for 2 days. We got tea time coming up, going up to Liverpool, getting to Ireland. This is gonna be exciting. And let's get to Bath. It is 10:57, my train is at 11, and I can't run. I need to get some coffee. It was even worse this time. I just had to, I really need to start paying attention while I'm on the train. I was gonna hop on a bus to Cranley. I'm in Bath. I can't even check in for 2 hours. Why would I go to a place I can't check into? I'm here. Bath is stunning. I love it here. Never leaving. And we're gonna go over to the pump rooms because I still don't have a date. Not that it's a date, but I don't have anybody to have tea with tomorrow. So we're gonna go make a post, find someone. We're here, all right. Hey, it's Richie with Unguided Nations. I just got into Bath. I'm traveling around the whole world. I have a reservation tomorrow at the pump room, tea for 2 in the afternoon, 4 p.m. If you want to join me, it's on me. Hit me up. Turns out we can't film with a big camera in there. People like their privacy, they said, so we'll give it to them. I was just told by someone that I had to come to the baguette shop right here and have Millionaire's shortbread. So we're gonna go do that. If you tell me to eat dessert, I'm gonna eat dessert, like immediately. It's really good. Can we just take a moment? I mean, I may not show that part later, but like, just to realize the background. The things that I'm just like, I'm eating a shortbread in front of a castle. So we're gonna go check in, have dinner, finish up editing, and then come back tomorrow. What up? It's my room. It's one room. Look at this. How many beds do you see? Just one. It's all mine. Look at you, boy. Not doing so bad. We got ourselves a hotel for a night. 3 weeks sleeping on nothing but 3-inch mattresses. Now, boom, bed, box spring. I could die. I slept in a little bit late, but look at this. Look at this outside. Look at how, that's where we're going. Let's get out there. 1 day in Bath. Let's do it. Okay, we're coffeeed up. I had to get a little camera accessory, and now I have to remember what I'm supposed to do here, because I forgot. First stop on the Tour de Sugar is gonna be Swoon Gelato. The name right there of whoever recommended Swoon Gelato to me. Of course, man.
Facebook, man.
What's that?
You're a Facebook, man.
Travel vlogger, yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, man.
Can I have you on your vlog?
Hello, man.
Hello.
What's up? What's your name?
CJ.
CJ, good to meet you, man.
On the streets of Bath.
Richie, good to meet
Nice
you,
to
man.
meet you, man.
Yeah, have a good day.
Thank you.
Walking right past the Fresh Farmers Market because I am going to gelato.
You have a meditation night?
I have.
I'll give you a stuff.
You want to be on it? Yeah. What's your name?
Jake.
Jake?
Yeah.
Good to meet you. I'm Richie.
Nice to meet you, Richie.
Everybody go to Swoon Gelato, see Jake, he's the best.
Have safe travels, man.
Thank you so much, man.
See you later.
Look out for yourself.
Come back again soon.
Yeah, I will, man. This is like the best gelato. There was this cheesecake flavor covered in Amarena cherries and little cookie crumbs, and I ordered that, and he goes, yeah, the Americans always order that. And I was like, well, no, never mind. It was Bath Abbey, Roman baths, Swoon Gelato, and the pump room. Those were the 4 things I think. The pump room is at 4 p.m. I've already done Swoon Gelato, so I'm gonna hit Bath Abbey and the Roman baths. being here, it makes it real. Like seeing this age on things makes it real. I was never a history guy either. For those who don't know, I'll keep this brief. There's a hot spring underneath. There was always just kind of warm water boiling up, so they would build these huge things around it to make it beautiful and enjoy it. There we go, we're back. We can turn off that thing now. Ta-da, we're back. So next we're supposed to go to Abbey Baths. So I didn't know the whole time. Bath Abbey was just that other building. That building I've been filming the whole time. They're right next to each other. Okay, we are in Bath Abbey.